All right, everybody, today I'm going to take you through some fun and simple dance workouts. So let's get right into it. So here, the warm-up is we're going to step in place here, just raising one foot, bringing it back to the same place, raise the right foot, put it back in the same place. So it's a confident jog in place. We got the music going, so remember you're going to the beat. Feeling good. We get the heart pumping. We're moving, we're active, we're feeling good. Who's ready to dance today? All right, here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And left, and up, and to the sides 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 and up. There you go. All right, spin the arms. All right, we're gonna spin the arms forward. All right, and back. We're loosening up. We're loosening our shoulders, our legs, our back. And turn your neck to the side if you need to. All right, first exercise, the squat and carry. All right, down and up, and down and up, and down and up, and down and up. Remember to breathe. Down and up, and down and up, and down and up. But you feel like you're picking up something kind of heavy. Down and up, and down and up, and down and up. All right, we're feeling good. We're breathing. We're feeling cool. We're feeling confident. All right. All right, and here's our lunges. 1, 2, 1, 2, and other side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. There you go. You got this, you got this. All right, by now you should have a good, consistent heart rate. You're really moving now. All right, so now we're gonna do jump, clap, together. Jump, clap, together. Jump, clap, together. Jump, clap, together. All right, there we go. All right, now freestyle. Here we go. It's whatever you want to do. All right, and spin around. All right, now we're gonna do some leans. So these are mainly back stretches, not so much dancing, but we're still gonna do it in rhythm. All right, we're slowing it down a little bit just for these. Here we go. All right, so we lean down, and we lean back, and we lean down, and we lean back. All right, now for the square dance. So how the square dance works is we're gonna go forward one step, to the right one step, back one step, to the left one step. That'll make a full square. So here it goes. I'll do it twice, you follow along after two. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, all together now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. All right, there we go. Good job, everybody. How was that? We have fun here? All right. All right, cool down, everybody. Woo. Yeah, that was great. That was awesome, man. All right, stretch it out. There we go. All right, that was dance lessons. Bye, everybody.